Hello everyone and welcome. In today's session, I'm going to give you a file browser overview from Web Portal in CentreStack. So in the Web Portal, you'll see the list of folders and files that are already in here. We're going to select Add, select Upload File, and we're going to upload a single file first. I'm going to choose the projects file and select Open. And on the right hand side, you could see it shows the progress that it's uploading. Once it's uploading, you'll see it says you uploaded, and you could see the file. We're going to upload one more time. We're going to upload two files. This is how you could upload multiple files. So I'm going to select test001 and test002. And I'm going to select Open. And you could see I'm going to upload one more time. We're going to upload by drag and drop. So you simply drag it from here and drop it. And you could see the progress on the right. And our file has been uploaded. I'm going to right click on a file, which is Reports, to access the right context menu for a file. We have the Open option. And once you select that, we have a Download option here. And we also have the Share option. And you click, you see here's the option to share this file. We also have the Edit option. Here, I'm going to edit. And I'm just going to add testing right here. And when I click Save, I get a pop-up saying your file report will be saved on your local disk. It takes about 30 seconds. And when it's saved, you get a little pop-up saying saved successfully. In the last modified column, you see it's been less than 1 minute ago. We're going to right-click to access the menu again. We're going to select Download. And our file is downloaded and open. We're going to download using local downloader. And this downloads into our downloads folder on our PC. You can see it right here, it's downloaded. We're going to right click on the file again, and now we're going to rename. I'm just going to add report 123 after the word report, so it's reports 123, and it renames. I'm going to right click one more time, and now I'm going to select delete. And when you say yes, it confirms deleting and it deletes. You no longer see it here. Now I'm going to access the menu from projects, and I'm going to select share. This is how you share it. We're going to right click and copy the projects file into our Azure folder, and you could paste it here. And it's been copied. The projects file is right here, and you see the projects file on the root as well. Now I'm going to cut this, and I'm going to paste it into my app stamp folder and paste it right there. You see the projects file here, and you no longer see it here because it was cut and pasted into another folder, not copied. We have the menu here as well. We have the share option here as well. For a file, we have an open option, which is exactly the same. And when you open it, you have the share option and the download option. And we also have the download option here as well. When you select it, you could download the file. We also have the delete option here as well. I'm going to select delete. I don't want to delete this file, so I'm going to select no. We also have the rename. I'm just going to add 123 at the end here, and it renames. And I have the move option here. I'm going to move my Excel reports 123 to another folder. I'm going to move it to my app stamp folder. Select OK, and you will see that it's moving. You no longer see it here on the root, but when you go into the app stamp folder, you see it right there. Now I'm going to select another file and copy this file to another folder. And I'm copying it into my app stamp folder. You see the app OpenStack is here, and you also see the OpenStack file here as well because it was copied, not cut. I'm going to select a file to access the top menu bar here, and we have the download option here as well. You could download multiple files using the top download option. I'm going to select the file here again. And you have the download option in the right pane, and we have a share option in the right pane as well. I'm going to select another file. I'm going to delete. You have a delete option there as well. And you can delete multiple files from the top option. I'm going to check one more time and download a single file from the top as well. You could do multiple files and you could do a single file. We're going to copy using the top option and we're going to paste it into our documents folder. Actually, I'm going to paste it into my app stamp folder. And you see it's copied test002 and we have test002. Now I'm going to select test002 and you cut using the top option. I'm going to paste it into my Windows folder. And here you see test002. And you also see test002 is not here anymore. I'm into the trash can. I'm going to show you in the trash can I have this file and we have the undo delete option. Open, download, and delete. I'm going to undo delete and it undeletes from the trash can and it shows up into a root where it was deleted from. I'm going to go into my Windows folder, which is a version folder because you see a clock there. You see the version added here. I'm going to show you how we're going to add a version. You're going to select the file. And on the right pane, you see the little revision sign icon. You select that and you choose a file, which was test333. And you're going to select open and add new version. And you will see a little V2 is added there. And if you click on that, you'll see the revision history. You could restore it to a previous version if you want to, especially if you edit the file. You could have multiple versions. And here we have the delete option and download option and restore to previous version. So I'm going to select that. Only in a version folder you could have multiple versions for a file. I'm going to delete a folder and a file just to show you in my version folder. When you select show deleted, click on show deleted, it'll show the things that were deleted and you could undo delete, and the folder was undeleted and the files are undeleted as well. We're going to select search and I'm going to type in test with a star and search for any files that start with the word test, and you could see all the files right here. I'm going to search for another folder which was called projects, and you could see they're right here. We're going to select management console from the drop down menu and select reports, and here you could see the file change logging. This shows any changes made to any of the files here when you search, and you'll see the list of all the files that were changed in any way, such as rename, delete, upload, download. We're back in the web portal, and now I'm going to take you inside a folder, and when you right click on a file, you see we have the same options here as well, and the same menu option here as we did on the root, and the same top menu button options here as well. And this is how the file browser works from web portal. Thank you.